Hello students. Yesterday we discussed about the common errors. Common error are the mistakes that are generally done by the people. It may be in the form of tense or subject verb agreement or the use of prepositions, use of conjunction or other parts of the speech. So such type of mistakes are generally done by the people while speaking or writing. So yesterday also we discussed about the common errors, and today also we are going to discuss about the same. So 1 to 16 we have done, and we are going to start the next page. So see on page numbers 124, it is 17th. See on the top. Please let him to go. Please let him go. I made him to run fast. I made him run fast. See, the verb let and make take an infinitive without to. Some other verbs of this type are feel, hear, notice, see and watch. In 90 number, I want boiling some milk. I want to boil some milk. The verb want takes an infinitive to boil and not a gerund boiling. I want to means it takes the infinitive to with it. I want to boil milk. Then he expects me to do so. He expects me to do so. Long question answer. Then 21. The house consisted 5 rooms. The house consisted of 5 rooms. The house consisted of. See 23 number. You will fail unless you do not work sincerely. You will fail unless you work sincerely. Do not work is not required here. Unless is itself negative and it does not need do not. Then both Sudha as well as Radha are studying. Both Sudha and Radha are studying. Both Sudha and Radha are studying. 25. She cooks like her mother does. She cooks as her mother does. She cooks as her mother does. She cooks as her mother. She cooks like her mother. He has no taste in music. He has no taste for music. 28. His servants shirks from work. His servants shirks work. The verb shirks takes no prepositions after it. Then he is as tall, if not taller than his friend. He is as tall as, if not taller than, his friend. Then Kalidas was Shakespeare of India. Kalidas was the Shakespeare of India. Wanted a stool for a man with 3 legs. Wanted for a man a stool with 3 legs. Then 32. Not even one of the men who was arrested was guilty. Not even one of the men who were arrested was guilty. 33. The teacher said that milk was white. The teacher said that milk is white. It's a universal fact, you can say. I did not see him since yesterday. I have not seen him since yesterday. Gulliver Travels were written by Swift. It's a book. Gulliver Travels was written by Swift. Subject verb agreement is there. He has never and will never tell a lie. He has never told and will never tell a lie. Girls like toffees more than their brothers. Girls like toffees more than their brothers do. At present, he is not in the premises of the school. At present, he is not on the premises of the school. When we talk about the premises, then the word on is used. On the premises. I regret for the delay. I regret the delay. 40 number. The accident took place in the night of 8th March. The accident took place on the night of 8th March. Then, it is very hot to go out. It is too hot to go out. 42. I not only went to Ambala but to Ahmedabad also. I went not only to Ambala but to Ahmedabad also. Next one. I visited Srinagar on last Monday. I visited Srinagar on Monday last. The thief was caught and his pockets searched. The thief was caught and his pockets were searched. Which is the best of the two houses? Which is the better of the two houses? He is accused with theft. He is accused of theft. If it will rain, nobody will come. If it rains, nobody will come. One simple present and then the future with it. It is conditional. Do you know that where he lives? Do you know where he lives? The child did not know that 3 and 3 made 6. The child did not know that 3 and 3 make 6. He did not understand how he can cross the river. He did not understand how he could cross the river. Has both of you seen the shadow? Have both of you seen the show? He met them on the railway station. He met them at the railway station. At preposition. I sat beside my friend. I sat beside my friend. Beside, not besides. We can see him between 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. We can see him between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. Between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. Steel is made of iron. Steel is made from iron. Throw it in the dustbin. Throw it into the dustbin. I acceded his request. I acceded to his request. He was charged for murder. He was charged with murder. This house has been disposed of. This house has been disposed of. This chair is made from wood. This chair is made of wood. We did not discuss about this matter. We did not discuss this matter. He is junior than me. He is junior to me. I want little milk to prepare tea. I want a little milk to prepare tea. Little gives negative sense, means no. He hurted me. He hurt me. He beat the dog by a stick. He beat the dog with a stick. Correct preposition. Some people were entering into the shop. Some people were entering the shop. I invited her for tea. I invited her to tea. Are you afraid from illness? Are you afraid of? Then, this house doors are open. The doors of this house are open. Then the next one. He said that he is late for school. He said that he was late for the school. I went there by a scooter. I went there on a scooter. I went there on scooter. I went there by a scooter. So see here, we go to travel by scooter, bus, taxi, train, bicycle, etc. By, however, is used only when the name of the vehicle is used in a general sense. We do not means of transport. We came by car. I came by taxi. He arrived by bus. He came by plane or by air. But if particular or individual vehicle is referred to, by cannot be used. I came in my car. I went on a scooter. Okay. They bought hundreds of cows. They bought hundreds of cows. They bought 500 cows. Here it will be only 100. They bought 500 cows. So it's over for today, and tomorrow we shall discuss the exercise of the chapter.